Your customers rely on you to get them through unexpected problems that occur with their machines. But finding every part you need can sometimes be challenging. Some cylinders have been honed out and altered, so it's up to you to find the perfect fit. What if your seals are not standard stock sizes? That is why at Hercules Sealing Products, we give you the option to configure seals quickly and conveniently. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just visit HerculesUS.com, open our custom seal configurator, select a profile, input dimensions, generate a quote and order online. You can even turn old quotes into new orders. Receive machine seals the following day. Repair your client's cylinder and send them home happy and satisfied. Yes, getting a customized seal is that easy with Hercules Sealing Products' online custom seal configurator. The best part? We not only produce a customized seal as per your needs, but we also deliver it the very next day. So what are you waiting for? Don't let your customer wait any longer. Start using our online seal configurator now. Visit HerculesUS.com.